Hey guys, another day, another unboxing and review. So today I have another product from Nonda and it is the Smart Tire Safety Monitor. If you've seen my previous videos, you would also know that I own another Nonda product, which is the Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. Now this product was something I backed on Indiegogo. I really enjoyed it. The app is great, the support is great, what they want to achieve is great. So I went up and bought another accessory from their smart car ecosystem. So this device will monitor your tires and it says it's going to boost your driving safety, save on fuel, and also let you know if there's any slow leaks. This is the receiver that connects to a Bluetooth port in the car. And what's cool about this receiver is that at the end here there is another USB female input, so you don't use up one USB port completely because of this. So you connect it through the ZUS app, which I already have. The in-car receiver speaks to the 4 tire sensors. Okay, let's see what else is on the box. These are how the tire sensors look like. The receiver. So it will boost your driving safety because if your tire is not at the right pressure, I guess it's a bit of a hazard. Saves on fuel, makes your car efficient. All at the front of the box just now. Award-winning app. It's really good. 10 minutes to self-install. Let's test that out later. And theft prevention, which is quite important because you don't want people just stealing these tire pressure monitors. And their app is available both on the App Store and the Google Play Store. I guess let's look at what's inside. Alright, you've got the installation kit right here. So it looks like the sensors are specific to the tires. You can't just simply put it anywhere you like. And at the top here we've got the receiver. I'm gonna take the receiver out first. Yep, that's it. That's the receiver. This goes to any USB out in your car. And like I mentioned just now, there's another USB in here, so you don't completely use up a port for this in case your car only has one. Installation kit. So apparently they've got a special screwdriver kind of thing that will be used to put the sensors on. And without the screwdriver you won't be able to remove the sensors. Let's see how one of these feels like. Alright, at least they mentioned the position on the device itself as well. Not that heavy, I guess, for something with built-in sensors. Put it aside. Okay, it says install receiver first, don't forget. Not sure what this is. Oh, I think these are sticky pads for... They're kind enough to include 2 extra caps and a couple screws, bolts. The next scene will be at the car itself. See you in a bit. Alright, so I'm in the car right now and I think I'm gonna put the tire receiver to be connected to this USB port inside the whatever you call this compartment. There's lights on the side of the device which will give you indicators to how the tire is without you connecting to the app, but I don't want another thing to be displayed on my dashboard, my physical dashboard, so I'm going to keep this away. And if I need to check the tires without looking at the app, I'll quickly look inside here, else I'll be using the app during my drives. So like the manual said, install this first, make sure it's connected, and then you install the tire monitors. So let's start the car. Alright, the white light means it's in Bluetooth pairing mode, so let's get the app out. So I'm in the app and this dashboard, this small part actually tells me the health of the car. Now what we need to do is pair, we go up here, tire monitor. Okay, now I gotta install the tire monitors. Alright, so the first one is installed and let's have a look if it's recorded. There you go. It works. You've got the tire pressure and the temperature. Everything went smoothly. I managed to install all 4 sensors on each tire. If I didn't use this, I wouldn't know that my right tire is slightly under pressure. Everything else is within the range of 210. It's supposed to be 210, that's what the car recommends. So I'll probably get this sorted out one of these days. I'm really happy with this product. Let me show you the receiver. It's also going to reflect that my right tire is under pressure. Right, so this is the receiver that I've plugged in. As you can see, the right side is blinking, notifying me that something is to be checked on the right tire. Alright, I think that concludes this short review about this smart tire monitor. Alright, I guess that's where this video ends. There's nothing much else I can say, but as of now, everything's working. I'm really happy with the Nonda ZUS smart car ecosystem. All the devices work. They have a couple more products like a reverse camera and a Bluetooth music receiver, but I've got that already installed in the car by default, so I won't be purchasing that. Right, that's all. Thanks for watching.